To remove and install the battery on your 650 Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat level surface, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Begin by disconnecting the accessory connector. Now, remove the passenger seat by releasing the two levers. Then, remove the driver's seat by turning the quarter-turn latch. Next, remove the rear tank trim screws. Now, remove the battery box cover screw. After this, disconnect the accessory wire harness from the retainer, or, if equipped with an accessory, disconnect the accessory wire harness from the accessory. Then, remove the battery box cover. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and set aside. Tip: reinstalling the fasteners and washers into the battery post will help prevent misplacement. Now, remove the positive battery cable and set aside. Then, remove the battery from the vehicle. Next, inspect the pad on the battery bracket for wear or damage and replace if necessary. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, carefully reinstall the battery into the snowmobile. Then, reinstall the positive cable and torque to specification. Continue by connecting the negative cable and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Also, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, put the battery box cover in the vehicle. Make sure the tabs are hooked into the battery box and make sure the battery box cover is under the rear tank trim. Now, connect the accessory wire harness to the retainer, or, if equipped with an accessory, connect the accessory wire to the accessory. Then, install the battery box cover screw and torque to specification. Next, install the rear tank trim screws and torque to specification. Now, reinstall the driver's seat by lining up the tabs to the seat and lock the quarter-turn latch. Then, reinstall the passenger seat, lining up the tabs and pushing down on the rear levers to secure the seat. Ensure the seat is fully seated. Finally, start the snowmobile to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.